Hello and welcome to Bitcoin News Today. I'm James WINSOAR. And the price today has dropped significantly. There was a massive red candlestick at 1 AM this morning on the 1st of May, and it dropped from $9,241 to $8,967. That is a drop of, let's see, about 3% drop, so quite significant. And we are in the at the moment we're down near the opportunity to buy and potentially make a profit when that price does rise again. And will it rise again? Well, we are seeing that the RSI is already on the way up, and we are seeing that reflected in the price. The MACD is currently low, it's in the minus figures at minus 75 currently, but that does seem to be running out of steam, so I would expect the price to rise again soon, probably to 9,200 odd. So we'll probably see some kind of pattern where it's rising and falling until we do get something significant that's going to make the price rise back up again to the 9,500s. So today I want to talk to you about some false Bitcoin claims that are being advertised by a company called Bitcoin Trader, and they are claiming that the dragons from the Dragon's Den TV series have invested in this company called Bitcoin Trader. The claims are completely false according to Peter Jones, who is one of the dragons. So be wary of this company, Bitcoin Trader, a scam. According to Binary Scam Alerts, which monitors this kind of thing, it's a cryptocurrency fraud. They're changing their domain name all the time, but they have a website that looks something like this that claims that you can become the next millionaire using their platform, and people are investing money into that instead of actually buying Bitcoin. Remember, there was other scams like this before. I covered one of them on my blog, which was called BitConnect, and that got shut down shortly after. So be wary of those companies. There are a lot of scams around when it comes to the craze of Bitcoin, because people will jump onto anything really because it's complicated, let's be honest. So follow people that you trust and learn from them. Please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I make lots of videos like this where I look at the Bitcoin price, I try to predict what it's going to do, and in the link in my video description you can sign up to Coinbase, which is one of the top trusted exchanges in the world. It's one of the biggest Bitcoin exchanges, and on there you can buy real Bitcoin using cash, using your card, or there's bank transfer available as well, and you can get $10 worth of Bitcoin free when you go through my link. That way you can buy real Bitcoin, and you can also sell your Bitcoin. So for example, you can buy when the price is low and you can sell when the price goes high again, and that way you can make a real profit. You don't need to refer people, it's nothing like that, it's not multi-level marketing. Bitcoin has nothing to do with that whatsoever. So be very wary about these get-rich-quick schemes that people promote. And if you are in any doubt about anything, feel free to ask me. You can always contact me in the comments. So that's all for today. There's not been a lot in the news other than that. Just something about algorithmic trading that I'll just mention briefly. Also, I would say be wary about these trading bots that people talk about, because think about it. If you have a trading bot and suddenly it decides to buy, for example, when the price goes down suddenly, that could push the price up again, and you might have missed out on the opportunity, because the bot software will make everybody buy at the same time and everybody sells at the same time who's using that software with that particular setup and those signals. So unless you can create your own bot and manage that, it's, in my opinion, not really going to work. The technology is not there at the moment. There was somebody who did a project where they started a machine learning bot to try to predict Bitcoin price, and it failed miserably. It seems that computers are just not very good at trading at the moment, so you do need experience. It's better and more fun, in my opinion, to do it yourself. So things that you can look out for are you want the current price to be lower than the averages. So I've got a setup here where I've got different moving averages in different colours. So I'm always looking for blue, green, yellow, red in that order. And if the price is below that, then that's one signal that it's a good time to buy. Then I've got my MACD here. This looks at the divergence between moving averages. Sounds complicated, but basically you're looking for a very low number on the MACD, which also signifies it's a good time to buy. And on the RSI, the relative strength index, again, you're looking for a very low number. So that would tell me that anything below this candle here at the moment would be a good time to buy. And then inversely, you're looking for high MACDs, high RSIs, and a price above the averages where they're going from top to bottom, blue, green, yellow, red. So here, for example, would have been a great time to sell. So let's just look historically and let you know. So say, for example, we could have bought down here. We could have seen that the price was going down and bought somewhere down here, and then we could have looked for the signals and sold somewhere up here. We could have made a 7.5% profit in 3 days, which isn't bad. And when that compounds, when you're doing that time and time again, you can make really significant gains. A trading bot can do that, but it won't do it so accurately. It might have bought, you know, at the wrong times. It could have bought here, 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 here. So yeah, then you're averaging out your price, and it could have started selling there and sold a few times. So you don't necessarily get the same results with a bot, but if everybody's using a bot, it's just going to cause weird things to happen with the price. And sometimes when you see these massive candles, maybe that is due to trading bots being triggered, sending the price down really quickly because everybody's doing things at once. And a few days ago, when we got this really, really weird pattern here, I did cover it on my other video on the 28th of April, we had a range from $8,755 right up to $9,497, all in the same minute. So it's a huge price range, very weird, really. So those kind of things might be being caused by automated trading bots. So not something that I would recommend at the moment, but maybe you are using some software like that. Let me know in the comments if it's working for you, and let me know what you would like to see more of in future videos as well. Would you like to see more technical analysis? Do you have any questions about that? Because I know when I first started it was very complicated, took me a long time to understand these charts and technical indicators. So maybe you've got questions about that. I'll be happy to cover those in another video. Maybe you want to see more news. If so, let me know in the comments. Please do give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I shall see you again very soon. Until then, bye for now.